How to add filters to a collection page in Shopify, easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add filters to a collection page on Shopify. So let's get into it. First of all, you have to open up your Shopify store and you will land right here. This is my Shopify admin. So in order to create filters on a collection page, you will have to navigate to your products right here. It will open up all the products that you have on your store, and in our product list you will be able to find the filters right here. You can see filter products, then we have some filters created. You will find this option right here, more filters, at the top panel right here. Click on more filters and then it will allow you to create filters for different category. I'm going to click on collection right here. So we have these filters for the collection. Now what I can do is I can select a collection from here and I can create a filter for the collection. For example, we have winter right here. So if I click on this one, it will add this filter right here and I can simply, add it. Then again, what I can do is I can also select different products, click on more actions and add a product to a collection or remove from such a collection. Or I can remove a product from a collection with these options right here within our product. So this is how you can add collection filters right here in your products. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.